My typical role as a tractor mechanic, I come in, I clock on my work order. If I got truck in my bay, I go to whatever my issue is with it, and then I go to my supervisor and I get something for him to do. Pull it in, I hook my computer up to it. You'll go on there and it'll give you a step-by-step. Do this, if it fixes it, you're good. If not, next step. The main things that we check for, I check for the lights, make sure it's got all the lug nuts, the tires are aired up, and I just look over the truck from front to back and make sure everything's good to go and it'll pass the DOT. They just check all the safety stuff on the road and make sure the truck ain't gonna get in a wreck or anything that can be preventative. The most critical thinking skills in fixing one of these is common sense. Sometimes you want to jump to the most hard thing about it, and it could be a fuse, and you're over here pulling the whole wiring harness out. You got to start at the very beginning. The more you do it, you'll learn pretty quick. The procedures that we do to keep the longevity of these trucks is make sure they're looked over, make sure they're kept up. If you keep them up and keep them going, they tend to stay out longer and run longer. I feel like my job makes a difference on our carriers because we keep the trucks on the road, they can deliver the freight, and keep the trucks moving. I love working here as a tractor mechanic because it's a nice company, laid back, make sure you're ready to work hard and be there mentally. Sometimes it can be a mind game, you just got to overcome it. But you do have to have a passion. That's what I've always wanted to do.